Hello and welcome to another video here on DAX Wednesdays. In this video, we're going to have a look at not one but four DAX functions: LEN, MID, left, and right. These four DAX functions belong to the text family of DAX functions. Let's switch to Power BI for the demonstration. So the four DAX functions in question, they take in text as an input. When you talk about text, it can be an alphanumeric text like this one that we have in our table, the column license number. The first DAX function we're going to have a look at is len, where we find out the length of the text that has been inputted in the argument. This is among the common functions that you will see across programming languages where we need to find length of a string. This is similar where it will return to us a value, the length of the text. So the argument that we're going to put in over here is license number, the column, and I'll just close this bracket. Now you see it has returned to us the length of the text that is in question, the first two alphabets, the space, followed by the 4 digits, space, and another alphabet in the end. So in total, we have 9 characters, including the spaces, for all the 5 text values. The next DAX function we're going to have a look is called left. One more time, I will put in license number as the input. It will return to us a text value starting from the left side of the string or the text. So for instance, if I want to get the first 2 alphabets which represent the country code, I will put in 2 as number of characters, close this bracket. I'll see it has written to us all the country codes that we required using the left DAX function. The next DAX function we're going to have a look is called mid, which is nothing but middle. This time around, it will return to us the middle part of the text. So once again, I'll provide the column name as text input. What is the starting position? It's asking us now as a second argument. So for the middle part, we want these 4 digits for the first row, 7948. So which is the starting position? F is at number 1, R is at number 2, space at number 3, first digit falls at number 4. Say that okay, the starting position is 4, and how many characters we want? Since we want these 4 digits, I'll say 4 one more time, and now it has written to us these values. But remember, these values that it has returned, they are in the text format, and the data type of this column is still text. The last DAX function we're going to have a look at is called write. We say write one more time. This time around, it's going to function in a way inverse to that of the left DAX function that we used previously. I'll say the column name that I want as first argument. Since we only want the last alphabet in question, we'll just say 1. And now you see it has returned to us the last letter of all the text. So this is how you can use these 4 DAX functions. Remember, the left, mid, and right will return you text values, whereas the length or len DAX function will return to you a whole number. This is something which you need to keep in mind. Otherwise, these are pretty straightforward DAX functions that you can use inside your data model when the need arises. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.